History is often written by men about men. But in 480 BC, amidst the clash of empires, one woman wrote her own chapter with blood and salt water. Artemisia, the Queen of Halicarnassus. She was not merely a ruler sitting on a throne. She was a commander of men, a master of the sea. While other Greek city-states fought for freedom, she honored her alliance with the Persian Empire. She brought 5 of the finest ships to Xerxes' fleet, commanding them herself. In a world of kings and warriors, she stood alone as the only woman with a sword in her hand. Before the Battle of Salamis, Xerxes asked his commanders for advice. Everyone urged him to fight at sea. Only Artemisia disagreed. She famously warned, "Master, spare your ships. The Greeks are superior at sea like men are to women. Why risk everything? Wait, and they will starve." Xerxes praised her wisdom, but he followed the majority. He chose battle. It was a mistake that would doom his empire, but it set the stage for Artemisia's most legendary and ruthless moment. The battle was a slaughter. As Artemisia predicted, the narrow straits neutralized the Persian numbers. Their ships collided with one another, turning the sea into a chaotic mess of wood and drowning soldiers. Yet, Artemisia fought with the ferocity of a lioness. Her ship danced through the carnage, sinking Greeks and evading capture. But as the day wore on, the tide turned. The Persian fleet began to rout, and amidst the chaos, a hunter found his prey. An Athenian trireme, commanded by Aeneas, spotted her royal flag. The Greeks were humiliated that a woman was fighting against them. They had placed a bounty of 10,000 drachmas on her head. Alive, the hunter closed in. Artemisia tried to flee, but her path was blocked, not by the enemy, but by her own allies. A confused mass of Persian ships clogged her escape route. Trapped between the Greeks and her own fleet, she had seconds to decide, live or die. She made a choice that chills the blood. Directly in front of her was the ship of Damosithemos, the king of Calindians, her ally. Without hesitation, she ordered her helmsman, ram them. Her bronze ram smashed into the side of her ally's ship. It sank instantly, taking the king and his crew to the bottom. The plan was madness, but it worked perfectly. The Athenian captain, seeing her sink a Persian ship, assumed she was either a Greek vessel or a defector. He stopped the chase. By killing her friends, she saved herself. From high atop the cliffs, King Xerxes watched the drama unfold. He too was deceived. He thought the ship she sank was Greek. Impressed by her victory amidst his fleet's disgraceful defeat, he uttered the famous words, "My men have become women, and my women men." Artemisia returned home with Xerxes' favor, her power intact. She was a pirate queen, a traitor to her ally, and a survivor above all else. In the end, she proved that on the chessboard of war, the queen is indeed the most dangerous piece.